Grok just stopped giving you free AI videos. Yep, as of this week, it's gone. But honestly, the free alternatives I'm about to show you are actually better. Let me prove it. Grok from XAI was one of the best free AI video tools out there. High quality, no watermarks, easy to use. But they now move it behind the paid subscription. So today I'm covering 5 free alternatives, and I'm saving best one for last, because most people haven't heard of it yet. Our first stop is Bing AI, and you can simply sign in by using your Microsoft account, and you can write your prompt here, and you can choose your aspect ratio, vertical or horizontal, and duration is only 8 seconds, which is enough for many generations. Then you can click create, and I already created a few videos and I will show you, and yes, they support audio. As you can see, these examples are beautifully generated and supports audio. Next tool is Hunyuan, which is Chinese tool, and it supports image to video feature, and you can choose your resolution. Then you can simply write your prompt here, and I made already an example by using this AI made image I just made, and I turned it to a video, 5 seconds video. As you can see, this is full HD and smooth motion, beautiful graphics. You can use for free and unlimited. All you need is just sign up with your email address. You can find the link in the description. Our next tool is Qwen from Alibaba, which is another Chinese tool, and you can create many daily free videos. Simply you need to just sign up with your email address, and you can click on plus button and create video. You can simply choose your aspect ratio, and you can write your prompt here. I use the prompt I got it from ChatGPT. For text to video, you can write your prompt and just click on arrow button to create your video, which is gonna be 5 seconds with audio supported. For image to video, you can simply click on plus button and upload attachment. You can click and add your image, and you can again write your prompt, so it will be image to video. So I will show you first text to video example. With same prompt I did by using this image to video. We can watch. Our next AI video generation tool is Meta AI, which is the company behind Facebook and WhatsApp. You can simply sign up by using your email account, your Facebook account, or your phone number. Then you will come to this page and you can click on video, then simply write your prompt here for text to video. Then you can click on animate, or for image to video, to animate your images you can simply come this plus button and add your image, then you can animate again. And I will show you text to video example first. You can add background music by clicking on add music. You can extend this video by click on extend, or you can restyle with variety of styles. And this is image to video. Again, it's beautifully generated, and these generations are very fast and beautiful. And you can restyle again, you can add background music, and it's totally free and unlimited every day. Our final platform is Krea AI, which you can use different video generators, and there are paid options, but also there are few different AI video tools which are free with daily free credits, but I will also show you how to use this unlimitedly. But first let me show you. So I prefer 2.2 or for audio LTX2, but for smoother motion I prefer 2.2 or Hylio 2.3. So I will show you 2.2. For resolution you can choose these two options, or aspect ratios, vertical or horizontal. Also you can add your image by click on start frame and upload, or you can just write your prompt for text to video. Then you can click on this button for generation, and it starts, as you can see. Now our video is ready, and I will show the video. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning generation with smooth motion and very high resolution. Everything is amazing. Now when I try to generate again, because I already generated one today, I can't generate anymore, so I will need to wait tomorrow. But I will show you a cheat code so you can generate unlimitedly again and again. So simply you will come here and log out, then we will click on sign up. Then here we will need to write our email, but I will use temporary email from this website. You can get email address, and you can receive confirmation code. But now when you click on delete it, it will give you a new email. You will wait a bit, and I have the email, and I will simply copy paste here and continue. Then I will just create random password for now. I need to write more. Then you will get the confirmation code. It's already arrived. You need to click on it and copy this code. Come here again and paste it. Then click on continue. As you can see, we sign in again. Then we can just very simple prompt. As you can see, we can create video again. So after each generation you can log out and repeat the same process for making unlimited generations. There's 5 completely free AI video generators. The excuse is not to start creating today. If this saved you some time, hit the like button. It actually helps this channel a lot. And subscribe if you want to keep up with the best AI tools as they dropped. See you in the next one.